Welcome to the online class, children. This is your GSC period. Yes, no? This is your GSC period, no? But I am going to teach as your teacher is your sir is absent. Okay. So this is substitution. I'm taking substitution. Okay. So just you can open your s.s.t book. You can open your s.s.t book. Okay. Yes. We are going to learn s.s.t. All are ready? All are ready? Raise your hands. All are ready? Okay. This is your s.s.t period because your teacher is absent. Albin said no. Third period is GSC period, no? Yes or no? But today I am going to teach s.s.t because third period I got a substitution. Okay. Please open your s.s.t book, all of you. Open your s.s.t book. Okay. Okay, we have already completed up to Swami Vivekananda, I think. No? Social reform, page number 109. All of you open page number 109, s.s.t. Which subject? s.s.t. Open it. 109 page. All are ready? All are ready? Yes. Last period also you have s.s.t. Isn't it? No. So this period also I will teach s.s.t because your teacher is absent. So I got a substitution. Okay. So please open page number 109. I will take my subject s.s.t only. Okay. Please open 109 page. Okay. We had completed already up to Swami Vivekananda. Correct? Correct, no? And we will start today Vinoba Bhave. This is lesson number 21. Okay. Lesson number 21. No? Okay. Yes. So we have learned about so many great personalities. No? Till now we have read about Ramakrishna Paramhans, Swami Vivekananda, Ashoka the Great, Emperors, Krishnadev Rai. Isn't it? No. I think you have understood about their work, about whatever they have done for the society. Isn't it? No. These are the social reformers. No. These are the social reformers. They have changed our society by their work and by their deeds. Isn't it? No. Yes or no? Yeah. So already so many other social reformers we have studied. Now we will start Vinoba Bhave. So you can see the picture also given in the book. Easily you can identify the picture is given, no? Yes. Vinoba Bhave was an eminent Sanskrit scholar and a social reformer. Social reformer means those who change the society by their acts, by their deeds. Isn't it? No. By doing something good to change the society. Isn't it? No. Whatever the drawbacks are there in the society, whatever the evils are there in the society, to change all that evils, to change that problems into the goodwills. Isn't it? No? So these are the social reformers, and they have done a lot to change the society, to divert the mind of the people to do something good to the society. Understand? So Vinoba Bhave. what he was an eminent Sanskrit scholar. Sanskrit means great learner. He was having a knowledge of Sanskrit, which is Sanskrit, subject, Sanskrit language, So he had a great knowledge of Sanskrit and he was a social reformer. He has changed the society a lot. He was the founder of Wooden Movement of India in 1951, which aimed at persuading landlords to voluntarily donate their excess land for distribution among landless people. Means what happened, in early period of time? What happened in olden time? The zamindars were there. They have lot of land. They used to snatch, we can say. They occupy a lot of land under their own control. Understand? No, they take the others' land also. Okay, zamindars used to take others' land also. Landlords. Okay, so what happened? Uh, After, according to this movement, whatever the Vinoba Bhave started, this movement, the name of the movement was what? He was the founder of the Wooden Movement. So according to this movement, how he has changed the society? According to this, what happened? What is the aim of this movement? What is the main intention of this movement? Main aim of the movement was the excess land was there, no? Extra land. Okay? Extra land, those who are landless people, those who are not having a land. Okay? Excess land, if the zamindars are having too much land, understand? No? They are occupying the other land also, others' land also they are occupying. Okay, so if they are having too much land, excess land they are having. So according to this movement, which was founded by Vinoba Bhave, according to this movement, what happened? They have to distribute the land to those people, those who are not having land. Understand? No, those who are not having land means those who are landless people. Landless people means those who are not having any land. Correct? No. So this is for the welfare only. Suppose I am not having any land, and if somebody will give me a land to me, so it is good for me only. No, it is benefit for me. Yes or no? It is for the goodwill only. No. Land, it is very important. Anybody need land for what purpose? To make house. And for what purpose? To do agricultural work. If you are having a lot of land, farmers used to do the agricultural work. Yes or no? Say yes or no. So lands are very important. Okay, so according to this movement, which was founded by Vinoba Bhave, was that the landlords, they means willingly they used to distribute the land to those who are landless, those who are not having land. Correct? Understand? Okay. Now, next one. Yes, Dhanya, any doubt is there to you? No doubt? Okay, clear? Doubts are clear? Okay. Now next, Mother Teresa. She was also a social reformer. Okay? So what she has also done a lot of things to change the society. Isn't it? No? To eradicate the evils from the society. Okay, so what are that? Mother Teresa was one of the greatest servant of humanity. Humanity means to the society, for the people. Okay, she has done a lot for the welfare of the society. Okay, she was an Albanian Catholic nun. Mother Teresa means just like sisters are there in our school, This is our little flower school. Sisters are there, no? They are nun. Nun means those who are unmarried. Okay? And they devote their life for the welfare of the society, for the development, for the welfare of the society, to do good for others, to do the charity works. Clear? To do the charity works. Isn't it? No, not getting it. Dipti Chaudhary, not understanding. Clear? Okay, so Mother Teresa, she was a Albanian Catholic nun. She was nun. Nun means those who are unmarried. Now she came to India in 1931. Who? Mother Teresa. She founded a missionaries of charity, a missionary of charity to do good for the others, those who are alone, those who are orphan, or those who are suffering from some problem, for from diseases. She used to help others, those who are in such critical conditions. Okay, so she founded a missionary. Okay, she founded a missionary of charity in Kolkata in 1950. Later on, Mother Teresa attained Indian citizenship, and her selfless work among the poverty-stricken people of Kolkata is an inspiration for the people of all over the world. May she worked for the people, those who are very poor, those who are under the poverty line, those who are not getting proper food to eat, those who are suffering from diseases. Understand? No? So she worked a lot for such type of people. Okay, she raised her hand to do good for them. Okay, now her selfless work among the poverty stricken the people of Kolkata is an inspiration for all people all over the world. Kolkata, in Kolkata, she has done all this. Kolkata, all of you know where it is. Okay, so she has done all the things for the welfare of the people. Okay, and so people get inspired. Other part of the other states, other people, other different states also get inspired by her work, by her deeds. Kolkata is an inspiration for all over the world. In all over the world, people get inspiration from her work, from her whatever the work she was doing. Charity work, no? Whatever the goodness is there, whatever the charity work she was doing, people all get inspired by her work, isn't it? Now, and she was honored with Nobel Prize of her work. And for doing these good things, for doing the charity work, she was honored. Honored means she was honored. She was given a respect. By what? By giving, by the Nobel Prize. Okay, she was honored by the Nobel Prize. She was just honored by the Nobel Prize because she has done a lot of charity work. She has done, she has changed the society. She has done a lot of charity work. Understand? No? Clear? All are understanding? Okay. Now, this is over. Mother Teresa. Clear, no? Now, scientists. Turn the page, 110 page. All of you open 110 page. Now, scientists. You know Indian scientists. Now we will read about the scientists. Okay? What is the work of scientists? They used to discover the things, isn't it? No. Now, Indian scientists are known all over the world for their several great scientific achievements. Okay, they used to achieve something. Okay, and Indian scientists have made India one of the scientific powerhouses of the world. And scientists are very important. They discover the things. Okay, now you here one by one we will read. Jagdish Chandra Bose. He was also a great scientist, and he was an eminent, important scientist. Okay, of which century? Of 19th century. And he showed experimental that plants do have life. What experiment? What he discovered? He discovered that plants are also have life. You know, plants are living things. All of you know plants are living things. Trees and plants are living things. They also have life. How we come to know that? By the scientific experiment. By the scientific experiment only, no. Scientists only discovered, then only we come to know that, okay, plants are also have life. Okay, and who has discovered? What is the name of the scientist who has discovered that plants are plants have life? Jagdish Chandra Bose. What is the name of the scientist? Jagdish Chandra Bose. Understand now? Now, so he also explained that plants also suffer pain, just like we are living things. We are living beings, no? Yes. Whenever we get hurt, it's pain, yes or no? Whenever we get hurt something or some cut marks is there, We have a we have sense organs, no? We have sense organs, so we feel pain when somewhere it is cut in our body. You are happy? You are happy? No. You feel, no, oh, it's paining, too much it is paining. You feel like this, no? Yes. So the same thing, scientist has discovered. What is the name of the Jagdish Chandra Bose? He has discovered that yes, plants are also having a life. They are living things, and they also suffer pain like us. Plants as living things feel pain, happiness, all we feel it, no? Yes, feeling is there in our body, yes or no? Because we have sense organs, because we are living, because we are living beings, okay, living things, okay. So though he worked in other field of science, he is best known for his research on the life of plant. He has researched for the life of the plant, what that plants are also have life, and those who have life, they suffer pain also. When there is a pain, when there is cut mark, when there is a they are suffering from pain also, those who are having life, isn't it? No. So now next scientist, C.V. Raman. All of you just to see page number 110. C.V. Raman. Yes, C.V. Raman was one of the most renowned scientists produced by India, and his full name was Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. For his pioneering work on a scattering of light, C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1913. He was a great scholar of physics, okay, and he won a Nobel Prize. He got a Nobel Prize in which year? In 1930. Okay, and what he has discovered, that the work, that is for his pioneering work on scattering of light. Scattering of light means, okay, he discovered about light. Okay, who? This C.V. Raman. He was also a great scientist. Now next scientist, Homi Bhabha. What is the name of the next scientist? Homi Bhabha. So Homi Jahangir Bhabha was the architect of nuclear science of modern India. Okay, and he was responsible for the creation of two premier institutions, Bhabha Atomic Research. Two institutions were there, okay, and what are they? Bhabha Atomic Research Center in 1944 and Tata Institute of Fundamental Research in 1945. Means he was responsible for the creation of two institutions. He has created a two institution in which the research was going on. Okay, he has created a two institution. For what purpose? For the research purpose. The name of the institution, first one is Bhabha Atomic Research, okay, which was created by Homi Bhabha. Understand? And another was Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. This was created by Homi Bhabha. Okay, and in which year? In 1945. Is it clear now? Next, Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai was also a great scientist of India. Okay, we are learning about the Indian scientists. You know that? They all are Indian scientists. We are talking about the Indian scientists. These are the name of the Indian scientists. Clear, no? So now, Vikram Sarabhai, he was also an eminent scientist. He was also a great scientist. He is considered as a father of Indian space program. He established the Physical Research Laboratory, PRL, Physical Research Laboratory of Ahmedabad in 1947. Apart from being a scientist, he was a rare combination of innovator, industrialist, and visionary. He was a scientist also, but he was a innovator who invented the things. Innovator to change the things. Okay, invents, we can say, do the inventions. Scientists used to do discover something. They used to invent something. Understand now? So he was a great industrialist also. He was a scientist also, but he was a industrialist also. Okay, to run the industries. If we have knowledge, then only we are able to run the industries. No, it is not very easy task. And he was a great and a visionary also. He used to give the ideas to others. Okay. Now, these are the name of the scientists, and these are the name of the Indian scientists which we are discussing right now here. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was also a great scientist. You know, all of you know APJ Abdul Kalam, I think. Yes or no? No, he was born in a very poor fisherman's family. Now, he was from very poor family. Nowadays, we are getting a lot of facilities, but children are not don't want to study. Correct, no? But see, in olden time, in the past time, when they don't have too much facility, then also they study, and some of them become doctor, scientists. Like one of the scientists we are reading about, and he was from the very poor family. Who? APJ Abdul Kalam, and he was which family? From the fisherman's family. You know that fisherman, and you can easily understand that what income they have. Yes or no? So, when on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, he was the 11th president of India. He was the president of India, and he was the 11th president of India from 2002 to 2007. Okay. This is the duration when he was the president of India. Who? APJ Abdul Kalam. Now, he was a recipient of several prestigious awards. He got several awards. He got several awards for his work, for his great work. Understand? No. And means he was honored by the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor. So many honors he got. Okay. By award, means he got award also. So many awards he got. He was popularly known as a missile man of India. All of you know he was known as a missile man of India. You know that? Who was known as APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, and he passed away on when he got died on 27th July 2015 while giving a lecture at IIM Shillong, Meghalaya, when he was giving a lecture where in Shillong. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya, okay, where he was giving a lecture. At that time, he passed away. So he was also an eminent and great scientist. So just now we have discussed about the Indian scientist. In this chapter, we have discussed about the social reformer, Indian scientist, and emperor. Indian emperor. Emperor means king. We all, whatever we have discussed, they belong to India only. These personalities belong to India. So the name of the chapter, Man Who Changed the Face of India. So these people, these personalities, they have changed the society of India. They have changed the society, the face of India by doing his great noble work. Okay, by devoting their lives for the welfare of the people. Understand now? Yes or no? They took pain to do these great works in the society. Yes? So I think this chapter is clear to you. Please read also carefully. Okay? In home, whenever you are getting time, please read the chapter. This is your GSC period, but I thought that better to teach you s.s.t. Okay, and the last period also s.s.t. is there. So in that bit, this chapter is over. Now the chapter is over, no. Only I have to give you the exercise part. So in the last period, I will give you the exercise part. Please get ready with your fair copy. Your pencil, don't run here and there, okay? Your pencil and your book. Because in book, we will do the exercise part. When? Fifth period, no? Last period. So, when I will come in the fifth period, we will do the exercise part. Clear? I think you have understood the chapter. My words are clear to you? Able to understand? Okay. So, we will just get ready with that in the last period, okay? Okay.